Up until 2008, I think most successful people, felt that success was just taken for granted. And then they had a rude awakening, and while many of our clients still have money and assets left, it's a lot less than it used to be. So now people are not as willing to give away their assets to their children in trust and otherwise to save taxes because they feel they may need them in the future. And that's one of the reasons we developed the HYCET Trust. The HYCET Trust is an acronym which stands for Have Your Cake and Eat It Too. And back in 2011, Obama signed into law a bill that gave every taxpayer the right to give away up to $5 million, adjusted for inflation. Now it's $5,120,000 to anybody they want to. Previously, the gift had been $1 million. Before that, it had been as low as $600,000. And back when I started to practice, the gift exclusion was only $30,000. But to go from $1 million, which we had in 2009, in 2010, to $5 million was a huge jump. But they only made it available for 2 years. At the end of this year, December 31st, 2012, that $5 million exclusion drops back to $1 million. So our challenge is to sit down with a client and say, look, if you have the ability to give away $5 million, give it away now, because once it's out of your taxable estate, whatever that may grow to in the future will never be taxed. It won't be taxed for many generations. If you take $5 million and you're getting 6% return on that in 30 years, that $5 million is worth almost $30 million. So it's real money. But if they should need that gift after they've made it, under traditional gifting mechanisms, they can't get it back. So what we've developed is a special trust that allows the taxpayer to make the completed gift to the trust, but insert themselves as a beneficiary of that trust. So if they later need the money back because they've had a financial reversal, the trustee has the legal ability to do that. Now, I advise clients, look, if you don't need the money, don't take it back, because all you're doing is bringing it back into your estate after you've gotten it out. But how nice would it be if you should need it, the money is available to you. Now, there are certain rules of the road that the IRS requires that you follow, and one of which is you must have an independent trustee, and it must be a trustee that is not under some prior or secret agreement with the taxpayer to follow their every needs. So, we explain this to clients and we tell them, look, don't game the system, because if you do, it's going to come back to haunt you. But if you really want to take advantage of this gift tax exclusion, now's the time to do it.